Hi guys, Joy here. So I'm back with this week's video. Ignore the laundry machine in the background. But today is my off day and there have been quite a few updates at my apartment, and obviously my bed is naked over there. So I will explain as I start the tour. So without further ado, let's get started. So to state the obvious about my bedroom, that bed setup is looking quite naked. I did not get rid of all my pillow cover or the mattress cover. I've just ran all my laundry and the pillow cover and the mattress cover in the laundry machine. That is not where the changes happen. The changes that happen are actually over here, more or less. I've got a yoga mat and I've got a Louis Vuitton bag, and I did like a unboxing my Louis Vuitton video. This was a graduation gift. If you are just confused as to how dare she have anything luxury item in her minimalist apartment, just go and watch my very first minimalist video. And then I'm happy to have a discussion after that. But yeah, here's a yoga mat, which I kind of like. Yeah, because lately someone suggested that I should do some home workouts because I was talking about how I want to work out, but I don't really want to pay for a gym or make that kind of time commitment of having to get ready and go there and things like that. And then this person's actually quite good at doing like home workouts and staying fit that way. So yeah, I've been given some resources and how to do them, and so yeah, I have this thing. I'm really excited because I'm actually going out later today to meet up and do some outdoor exercises and stuff like that. So I'm very excited. But yeah, nothing special here, just my Louis Vuitton bag. Maybe I'll take it today to go out just to like dress up a little bit. I'm not sure, maybe not. This was from the Shinsegae Louis Vuitton. Shinsegae is like a huge department store in Korea, shopping center, and yeah, they got it in Gangnam. This was actually display bag, so they were able to get a very tiny discount. So I thought that was kind of like, I don't know, I thought that was kind of smart and kind of cool actually. And here's my little diffuser that I told you guys about to keep in my house. In my last tour video, I believe. I still love the shells. They make me happy every time I look at them. And I feel like even when I run out of this detergent, I think I'm gonna keep the shells. I don't know what I would do with them, but like they remind me of ocean, they remind me of nature, but I actually don't have to keep them alive, which is a challenge, as you guys know, with my saga with Joe, my cactus. So now that we're already here, you might be surprised as to why is that so clean, where all my clothes. You can see the basket of clothes up there. I'll usually pull it down if I need to get something out, but I did clean up my place a little bit today, partly because I'm actually going to dry my blanket and stuff like that on the floor. So the floor is pretty clean. I wiped them down with some wet tissue. I'm going to turn up the heat just a little bit so they will dry while I'm gone. So let's move into my fridge actually. You can see this huge food trash bag that I haven't done, and this piece of meat has just been like sitting here. I don't know, like I've never really liked thawing beef for some reason. Like I don't know why. I'm just always like a little bit scared. Like I don't mind thawing pork, but I don't know what is with beef that I just am kind of like scared to thaw and eat. I just feel like they're just not as good. Like I don't know why. It's like a psychological thing. This bag of ice has been here for over a month, ever since I started eating mostly at works and having my coffee there. So that's interesting. I don't know. I guess I'll have some ice whenever I feel cold. And over here in my fridge, you can still see some of my broccoli that I need to cook, and then you can see some snacks and this German cookies that I actually got yesterday. Happy Valentine's Day. Anyway, guys, everybody. Hope you had a good time. I've been actually lately snacking on some carrots. They're actually quite sweet and they don't make me feel as guilty as eating some of the other sweeter fruit. Obviously, I have to have some apple, but that was just like for a guest kind of thing. So yeah, I think carrots are great replacement for some kind of sweet snack if you're really not into snacking on, like, I don't know, celery sticks or something like that. So there's not much food here because all my food and rice packets are actually at work. Now let's move into the bathroom and we'll start over here. Whee! Hi guys, here's my bathroom setup. A lot has changed in here actually, as you can see, my cabinet. But before we go into detail about that, I'll just tell you that I haven't taken the treatment to work because I decided I'll just go ahead and use it here, and then I can order another one for work. So I think I'll just keep it in the house and use it. And you can see my foam cleanser. I wasn't going to buy a foam cleanser. I was just gonna use the shampoo on my face. I know, I shouldn't do that. But this was actually also a gift from my mom when she came to visit me, which I thought was very nice. It's crazy because I was actually running out of makeup. I was running out of my lipstick. I already ran out of my concealer actually, but I've been using kind of like the little bit that's left around like it's the lid of the concealer and stuff like that. It's kind of silly. But yeah, I don't know, miraculously, she didn't give me any concealer, but she brought me some new makeup and a makeup cleanser, which I thought was very nice because I had just ran out of soap. So I know sometimes she watches my channel, maybe that's what's going on, but I know she doesn't watch it all the time, so I think it was just like a mom instinct. Like I've always told like some people that I know that my mom has like a sixth sense of like what I'm up to and stuff like that, so it's quite interesting. But anyway, over here, so all this too, it's a gift from my mom, and this was a hair essence at work. I didn't really like to use it on customers because it tends to get a little bit sticky, so I decided to just use that on my own hair. Obviously sunscreen, I put some on because we're gonna do some outdoor exercise today. And this eye cream for less wrinkly eyes, that's also from my mom. And then over here, this new lipstick. I had just run out of lipstick. Now my lipstick is kind of a nub. I didn't use this new one, obviously. This is still the old one, but it's very much down to like the tiny little nub. So yeah, I'm going to use that up. It's in my carry-on makeup bag. So yeah, and this would be like my new lipstick color. I haven't even checked the color yet, but I don't mind. I like to be surprised, like as if it's a gift. And there's my foundation that's been saving my life because I'm already almost running out of concealer. So what I'll do in the morning is I'll put that on first. Another thing that I want to talk about is actually this little eyeshadow set. I don't know if you noticed, but maybe I'll flip the camera and then I can talk about that with you guys. So I'm sure some of you could tell that I'm actually wearing a little bit more eyeshadow today. Generally what I like to do is I like to go over with like a medium color all over my lid, and then like a very bright color in the inner corner of my eyes, and then the darker color all the way to about the center, because my eyes, they tend to protrude out a little bit in the center. So maybe I'll talk about that. Maybe I'll do like a minimalist but fancy makeup tour soon. But yeah, I think it's about time that I do some kind of makeup tour, but just not today, because I'm just getting ready to go out. But yeah, that's an update on my face. Then my mom has a bunch of those makeup because she actually tried to do like a side hustle of selling makeup, but she never really got to it. So now I have all these products that I'm given. I kind of love that fact about her, like she's always hustling. Yeah, you know, and she's very smart and very savvy financially, and I would love to be just like her someday and just, you know, be like a calm person. But you know, I have my own personality and stuff like that. But that's why I decided to just go ahead and keep that makeup and then use it on my face, because my mom doesn't really like to wear any makeup, but I personally do. So yeah, I think it would be interesting. It's still very easy to do my makeup, so I'll do some kind of a makeup tour. If you'd like to see that next time, I don't know, let me know down in the comments down below, or on my Instagram if you are following me over there. And we will just move into the kitchen. Nothing too exciting over there, so don't get your hopes up, but yeah, we'll still do the tour over there as well. So over here you can just see my trash bags. That's the regular trash, and these actually I've kept some plastics in there. I can just put the plastics in a regular clear bag, which I don't have in my apartment right now, but I know I got a bunch of them at work, so I'll just bring them. And then over here, obviously my laundry's running, and my kitchen is actually looking pretty fresh. And my laundry's done. Thanks for interrupting me. Yeah, because I actually put away most of the items that were on the surface inside the cabinet over there. So yeah, this is super clean. I'm very much happy about that. I'm keeping the Brita out because usually if I'm not rushing in the morning, I love to have like a cup of nice cold water over there. And we will just look down here before moving into the cabinet, because save the best for last ish. This is just a plastic bag, but that's actually for like for me to bring towels back and forth from work to my home to do the laundry. You have seen this new laundry detergent. By the way, I'm very like toe heavy, guys, like whenever I'm filming, because it's just me. So hopefully that's not, I don't know, offensive to anybody. I don't know why that would be offensive, but sometimes people get offended by everything. So anyway, we'll move into the cabinet over here. And you can see I have definitely tried to clean up this place a little bit, but you can see my one pan and my one pot. My pot, I didn't buy that. That was also a gift from my mom. Bless her heart. But she's actually getting very good at giving me like what I need, like actual household products or something that I need for work, or makeup and skincare products and things like that. And honestly, like that's definitely helpful. So I don't want to pretend like I am completely self-sufficient. I mean, I can be, but when like my family offers me small, nice help like that, I would definitely take it, and I'm very, very grateful for that. There's just some makeup, and then just like a container for one of my Ziploc containers, which I think I actually have at work to keep my food and stuff like that. These are just Brita filters, obviously, because I do not like to buy water. And one of the main reasons is like I don't want that much plastic trash. It's not even like for the nature. I mean, it's great for the nature. I tried to do the right thing, but it's really like I don't want that much trash to deal with. So it's win-win for everybody. My foldable knife and my spoon and fork, foldable spoon and fork are down here. Whee! And here's my, tumbler cover, and then some plastic spoons that I didn't know that were here until I was cleaning up today. So I guess I do have some plastic at home. I guess I'll use this stuff if I have a guest over or something like that. So yeah, and that is actually it for my kitchen tour, and I will just go ahead and do an outro. Okay, so that was my entire minimalist apartment tour. Now I am kind of inching slightly towards more of the essentialist maybe. I'm having definitely more items right now. Maybe one of these days I will definitely need to declutter a little bit. So far I haven't had any trouble keeping my place clean, and nothing has really stressed me out too much. But if it starts stressing me out, you know me, I have no fear of decluttering. If you have any tips or suggestions and stuff like that, or just something that you want to say, maybe you just want to say hi, let me know. And I'm very, very excited to go out and just be in nature a little bit, and then also get my coffee, because I can tell the caffeine headache is coming up soon. Yeah, so I need to get my cup of coffee. I think I'll just make it at work and start heading out to save money or something like that. We'll see. But thanks for watching this week's video. I feel like maybe lately my videos have been a little bit boring, partly because I have noticed like the view count has been going down a little bit, but also I've been kind of like spamming out with like other content that I do in my life, like hair stuff, like unboxing my new luxury bag and stuff like that. So I don't know, I think I'll just keep going, but maybe I can just try to focus on things that interest me, like, and I don't know how to fix that, but if you want me to fix something, let me know. But I know like a lot of you guys do like my apartment tour. Obviously I will do that every single week. If you haven't heard me say that before, this is what I will do every week. I'll have one minimalist like apartment tour content per week, but I'll also have like a couple of other contents and stuff like that. So one of the tips that I could kind of give you, if you don't want to watch all of my videos, you can always go into the playlist. I have tried to sort of organize a playlist so you can only choose to watch the content that you want to see. So anyway, I'll be off and on my way. I'm gonna do laundry and then get out of here. So thank you so much for watching as always. I hope you guys have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, I don't know, sunset, sunlight, wherever you're in the world. I miss all of you guys, and have a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye!